Hello guys, good morning. If you're watching this, that means you are watching the replay, so type hashtag replay. And for today, I'm back on track. What is it like, and it's back to sunny again. So I'm really happy. You can always see what is it like when it is really warm outside, my energy level goes up too. So even though I like to be in cold weather, but obviously the sun can make a vast difference to anyone's. Yesterday I posted like what's it like a poll on whether you are a sunrise girl or a sunset girl. The majority of the answers I got was sunset, but to be frank, I am a what is it like a sunrise person. I still remember the day when the trip we went to Kanyakumari, which is like the southern tip of hi Prashanti, good morning. Southern tip of Tamil Nadu, like India. So it is like we get beautiful sunrises there, and our family is the only one who showered before the sunrise. I can never forget that incident. Like when we were like everyone, the tourists were taking pictures, and it was like even. I would be I would be somewhere in elementary. That's what I remember. So even from those days, I'm always a sunrise girl. So that way, my energy level is way high, whereas my battery goes so down after particularly 3 o'clock, I should say. So since these days I don't even drink coffee much, like I do drink very rarely, but not like a everyday thing. Like previously morning coffee would be my go-to. I think most of us will be to start the day, but these days I'm cutting down the coffee. So I try to join my husband once in a while, like when I'm too lazy to prepare for myself. But other than that, I am cutting down coffee. So obviously by 3 o'clock it starts to slowly kick in, but let's see how it goes. And for today's eye look, this is again an eye look I already created, and this saree also, it's one of my favorite. This is what is it like it's sometimes a very simple drape can be very elegant, like what is it like it's it's a random grab, I would say. They had a Women's Day thing going on, and I picked this color particularly because for Navratri every time they will have an orange, and I never had much oranges, to be frank. So I grabbed particularly to wear for that occasion, but it became one of my absolute favorite. Like yeah, we all will have some keepsakes, right? This will be one of them, even though it's not like a fancy kanji or anything. It's just a simple Kora Banarasi, but somehow this saree is one of my favorites. So for my eye look, I picked the colors. So usually I do like that only, but I wanted to pick the colors that are here. So what I did was, Ram, you can hear him back, like he's showing something to my son. So what I did is, as I said, I have created this eye look in one of the videos, but that time I think I used two matte shades. One is pink plumberry and the second one is rust. So those two are the colors I have used, but today I have used the new pink ruby shimmer, because more than plumberry, this color was absolutely matching the pink here. So that's the one I have it in my crease. So the way I do, if you see, I bring it out to my crease, so that way even though mine is a hooded eye, you can still see the color. So that's the purpose of bringing it a little bit out, and it gives like such a dramatic look to the eye. So what is it like, pink ruby shimmer is the color I'm wearing on my crease. And other tip I wanted to say is, whenever you buy, if you see Senegal sticker will be in the bottom, so you can slightly remove it and you can fix it on the top, so that way when you store, you will see the color from top to. You can do it for anything. Let me show how I'm going to do it. I will show whether I can try it with the gloss. I'm going to take it. Oh, the glass one is little stickier, but you'll be able to take it out and store it on the top. That way it will be really easy for you to see the names anytime. I hope I don't tear it. I get extra stickers, to be frank, like since mine is like testers, I used to get extra stickers. So you can see I'll be able to take it from the bottom and I'll be able to stick it on top. So that way, I know many people get confused on whether it's a gloss, whether it's a remover, whether it's a Lipson's color. This will really help you to see the bottle from the top. I know there is always people will say that it's in the bottom. So you can take out the sticker and try to stick it on the top. You can even apply extra adhesive or something and you can still do it. But I do get extra stickers, so that way I will get stickers on both sides. Natural tan is the one I always use to color correct. So it's only 2 colors basically. So the other color is rust. Rust is my another favorite. Americano, clove, rust are very close to each other. If you want really light, then you go with Americano. Rust is in the same color group, whereas it's little darker. You can see that's the color I have used all over my lid. Today it's a matte shade. I didn't top with any gloss or any glitters or shimmers. So rust is the one I have used in all over lid, and I blended out with my pink ruby shimmer. So that's the one, and I have used onyx on the top. The one thing I did differently today is I have used the golden pencil in my lower waterline just to give the contrast. As you can see, this color is like a really prominent to match the saree. So just to give the gold accent, I have added it in the inner corner and also in my waterline. So basically these pencils, you can use it as you can use it as a eyeliner, and also you can use it as your waterline. So this gold pencil, I have used it many times during the get ready this month. Today is day 21. If you go and search for the gold pencil, you will see this is called golden shimmer. So you can see how many times I have used it in the inner corner, and today for a change I have used it in my waterline too. So there are some eye looks where you can even do it as inner corner too. The pencils are like multi-purpose. Like you can smudge it. That way, even a black or black brown pencil, you can smudge it and give like a smoky eye look. So Cloudy was sitting near my chair, so I was so scared that I will stamp on him. So that's the eye look for today. It's a very, very simple eye look, to be frank. And for my lip, I did fuchsia. I am always drawn into very bright lip colors, because even if you are someone who doesn't do much makeup, just by having a bright lip color, the whole look will get enhanced. And I topped it with the pink tourmaline gloss that came with what is that collection called? I think it came with the Madeira Lipson's pink tourmaline and the other gloss. Like it's the recent collection. That's one of my favorites. So I paired them together. Actually, this has a little bit of glitters, but you will not see it in the camera, but it has a little bit of glitters to it. So that's the whole look, and I simply paired it with a black bead Mangalsutra from Alur Vastra. So it had even Changu Chakra. So I really liked it, because this saree needed a contrast, as the color was like so bright, and I wanted it something to cut down that pink orangish shade. So I went with a simple this one, and I paired it with just a simple Lakshmi bangle. So that's the look for today. And thank you so much for everyone who reached out yesterday. Like I know, like it makes someone's day when you can just check on them, whether it's physical or a mental illness or anything going on. It really makes their day. Yesterday I was a little bit down. I had 3 different what is it, like friends of mine lost loved ones. One lost her puppy, one lost her child, one lost her father. So it was literally tough for me because anytime a loss is a loss, so it was really hard because going through something like that is not easy at all. So I was little down, but thank you so much for whoever reached out to me. It was really sweet of you guys to do. So that's it for today. Today's Wednesday. Friday, as I said, I'm going to be starting my training. So maybe Friday I will hop on a little early also, because maybe 9ish I would say, because 10 o'clock my training starts. It's a training in marketing, so I'll be in training from 10 to almost 7, and the new releases are coming on that day, and I have already ordered my new releases. So whatever is going to get released, I'll be getting mostly next week. So I'll be able to show you guys on what it is, and by August first week I will do all the first impressions and everything during that time. So that's it. Have a wonderful day, guys. See you all soon.